everyone, this is Ankita Mallick back again with another makeup tutorial. So let's jump into the video. I have already done my makeup base and also have set the eyelids. I used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer in shade Light on my eyelid. Next, I am taking the Nicka K Birthday Cake eyeshadow palette and picking up this shade, I am applying it on my creases and blending it out. Next, I am taking the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and picking up this shade. I am applying it all over my eyelid and blending it all well. Now I am taking the Lakme Iconic Kajal in shade Royal Blue and applying it close to my upper lash line. From the inner corner to just the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I am taking the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and applying it under my eyes. And also on my T-zone to highlight it a little bit. Using my Damn Beauty blender, I am blending it all in. Next, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium and with the help of another Damn Beauty sponge, I am applying the powder on all the areas where I have applied the concealer to set it perfectly on my skin. Next, I am taking the L'Oreal Paris bronzer and bronzing up my face a little bit. For the blush, I am taking the Miss Claire blusher and applying it on my cheekbone. Next, I am taking the Lakme Blue Kajal again and applying it on my waterline and also on my lower lash line. For the highlighter, I'm taking the Makeup Obsession highlighter, which is broken, and I have no idea how it broke into pieces. But moving on, I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. And also on the tip of my nose. I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris bronzer again and applying it on my nose to make it look a little bit contoured. I'm taking the Nykaa liquid highlighter and applying it above my cheekbone and on my temple and blending it using my Damn Beauty sponge. Just tiny dots will give you a lot of glow, so be careful if you are using this liquid highlighter. Now for mascara, I'm taking the Rimmel London Volume Flash Scandaleyes mascara and applying it on my lashes. Now for the lips, I'm using the Miss Claire True Color Contour Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade 08 and first overlining my lips with it. And then filling in my lips with the same. And this is the final look. I really hope you loved watching this makeup tutorial and this particular makeup look, which is very simple and very easy to create. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and makeup tutorials, and I will see you in my next. Bye!